welcome to my Python coding channel. This is a new channel and this will be my first video. So this will be my intro video of a series. This channel is going to be geared towards beginners and intermediate. We won't do anything considered super advanced just because the idea behind the channel is really to try and encourage more people to get into technology, and of course my channel coding. Also trying to encourage more people of color and women to get into technology. As a consultant out there, I think those two demographics are definitely lacking in coding. So hopefully this channel can be of help to some folks out there. Now this channel is actually designed to kind of give people who are interested a Python skill set that they can use. We're trying to help you to develop a Python skill set. Now, if you want to become a software developer, that's the default path. But the idea is to try and hopefully give you a skill set and the right foundation. And if you decide you wanted to use Python to become an e-commerce website developer, you can do that as well. If you have an idea, you want to create a solution to a problem, you can also do that and monetize it. You can do that as well, because you can do those things without having to maybe work for a company as a software developer. So the whole idea is really to just kind of help you develop a skill set that you can decide how you want to use it eventually at the end of the day, not to be tied down to one thing. So that's the whole idea. Like tech's not really going anywhere, and I don't mean to be facetious when I say this, but I tend to come across a lot of people who feel they know enough to get by. And these are not just older folks. These are sometimes people in their 20s and 30s. They feel they know enough to just get by, and they don't really need to know the nuts and bolts behind that technology that they use. And you don't need to know everything, but I feel knowing just enough to get by, it's not cutting it anymore. I think technology is evolving to the point where you will have no choice to get more involved. I mean, here's a dose of reality to some of you all out there. Technology is coming for your jobs, like whether partially or wholly, it's coming for them. It's already happening. I mean, AI, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, making computers smarter than humans. I mean, we already see that in our phones. I mean, facial recognition is something everybody is aware of. It's AI based. I mean, AI is used in different ways. It's used for developing products. It's used for automating manufacturing processes, mundane tasks. It's out there. I mean, you may not know you're using it, but it's out there. So it's another way of just making things more automated, that we won't really need people as much. Robots, yes. We're all aware of robots. We see them everywhere. We see them in every industry. In manufacturing, hospitality, robots are home improvement as well. Warehouses, Amazon, they have a ton of them. Robots are literally going to take over a lot of the tasks, a lot of the jobs people are doing right now. If they don't already have, they will eventually. I mean, if you combine robots and AI, then you have very advanced, sophisticated devices out there that can do a lot of things even much better than the humans. So hoping this will just slide by, and just hoping you'll get by the little knowledge you know. I'm not sure if that's going to cut it anymore. And this is also from people who tend to want to earn more, make more money. They're not really happy where they are. So I feel hopefully, people can kind of wake up and think, okay, I need to, what are my options? And hopefully this channel can give you an option to do, to be able to do something else. And here's some facts with that. In technology and in the coding world, I mean, there's a shortage of skill set. It has been. It's going to get worse, and it's not just this country. It's going to get worse everywhere. So companies are losing revenue because they're not able to find the right people. Companies will be willing to pay good money for people who have the skill set. And Also, for those who want to make more money, I think technology and coding particularly is a good place to make 100K or more within, I think, the first 3 to 5 years of you getting into the space. It's something that I've seen that done over and over again. So it's definitely something I feel, if you're not happy where you are, or you want a different career path, I think technology is definitely something you should probably take another look at. This channel, this is, like I said, this is my first video. The whole idea behind the channel is, actually it's broken into 2 parts. That's the goal behind this channel. I have 2 things I want to do with this channel. Obviously the first one is the video, which is what I'm doing right now. Sorry, not the video. The Python tutorial. That's the first goal of the channel, is to do the Python tutorial, and hopefully you guys would enjoy that. But there's another piece of this that I'm kind of excited about, but also I'm going to keep that under wraps for now till I get to the point where I think we can actually start doing something on that as well. And hopefully once I combine those together, I'll able to kind of give you guys a lot more fun stuff. So for now, this is, like I said, intro video of a series. Hopefully you guys will enjoy what I have to put out there. I'm open to suggestions, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon.